Welcome to the Tech Mechanic. Today's breakdown is part of our Azure Architecture Master Series. If you want the full roadmap, then hit the playlist from the start. With that said, let's dive into today's topic. Imagine you are running an online shopping platform. Customers use the website. Others use the mobile app. Partners access supplier APIs. Internal employees use admin portals. All of them directly call your backend services. Soon, managing APIs becomes a nightmare. This is exactly why Azure API Management exists. Without API management, every application connects directly to every backend service. Each API has different authentication, different security, different documentation, different versions. As applications grow, managing APIs becomes extremely difficult. Azure API Management, or APIM, is a fully managed service that sits between your clients and backend APIs. Think of it as a smart receptionist. Every API request passes through APIM first. It authenticates, validates, monitors, secures, and routes requests before they reach your backend. To get started, log in to the Azure portal. In the top search bar, type API Management Services and select it from the dropdown. Then, click Create. Next, fill in your basic configuration details. First, choose your subscription and resource group. Select a region closest to your users or backend services. Enter a unique resource name. This will form your API gateway URL. Provide your organization name and admin email for system notifications. Finally, pick a pricing tier that fits your workload, such as consumption, developer, standard, or premium. Click Review and Create, then hit Create. Deployment can take a few minutes to up to 45 minutes, depending on the tier you chose. Once your instance is deployed, open your new APIM resource. From the left navigation menu, scroll down to APIs and select APIs. Under Add a new API, choose how you want to bring in your backend service. You can import an OpenAPI spec, WSDL, an Azure App Service, a function app, or start with a blank API. Fill in the required details. Set your display name and internal name. Enter your web service URL. This is the backend endpoint where your traffic will actually be routed. Optionally, add an API URL suffix to help differentiate this endpoint from others. Once that's set, you are ready to save and publish your API. Swagger, also known as the OpenAPI specification, is a standardized blueprint for your REST APIs. It provides clear, human-readable documentation and interactive testing tools, allowing developers to design, build, and explore endpoints effortlessly. Imagine visiting a large corporate office. You don't walk directly into the CEO's office. You first visit the reception desk. The receptionist checks your identity, guides you to the correct department, and controls who can enter. Azure APIM works exactly the same way. The API gateway is the heart of Azure API Management. Instead of exposing multiple APIs to the internet, clients only communicate with one gateway. The gateway decides where each request should go. Before allowing access, APIM can authenticate users using API keys, auth, Microsoft Entra ID, or JWT tokens. Unauthorized requests are blocked immediately. Imagine one client sending thousands of requests every second. Without limits, your backend could crash. APIM lets you define rate limits, protecting your APIs from abuse. Applications evolve over time. Some customers still use version 1. Others use version 2. APIM allows multiple API versions to exist simultaneously, making upgrades much easier. Azure APIM includes a beautiful developer portal. developers can read API documentation, test APIs, generate API keys, and learn how to integrate quickly. In our shopping app, every request first reaches APIM. APIM authenticates the user, checks rate limits, logs the request, and routes it to the correct backend service. Banks expose hundreds of APIs. Instead of exposing backend services directly, all requests go through APIM, ensuring centralized security, logging, and monitoring. Authentication, rate limiting, caching, logging, and versioning. These features make APIM an essential service for enterprise API management. Nearly every modern enterprise architecture places APIM in front of microservices. It provides a single, secure entry point for all APIs. An API gateway focuses mainly on routing. Azure API Management goes much further, adding security, monitoring, analytics, documentation, versioning, and developer experience. This is a modern enterprise architecture. Front Door accelerates global traffic. WAF protects web applications. APIM manages APIs. AX runs microservices. Key Vault stores secrets. Azure SQL stores business data. Remember this simple rule. An API gateway routes requests. Azure API Management secures, manages, monitors, documents, and scales your APIs. That's why nearly every enterprise Azure architecture includes APIM. Whether your goal is to become a solution architect, cloud architect, AI architect, or simply a better software engineer, TheTechMechanic is your learning destination. Like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay ahead in your tech journey.